Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be giving you top 5 reasons why I would prefer to buy the MI Note 10 Lite. So in this video, I'll be talking about the MI Note 10 Lite. This device I'm using for the past, I think, close to 1 month, and definitely I got plenty of experience with this phone to make a video on top 5 things which I like about this smartphone. So right now, by the time I'm making this video, still the phone did not get launched in India. So definitely by the time it get launched in India, you need to keep it ready to buy this phone, because the phone is so good that I would highly recommend for any user to buy this phone, definitely friends, and try to watch till end of the video to get to know more things about this smartphone. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of various smartphones, so where you can get in-depth reviews on each and every device, as you can see here. So first a list. So let me start with a display. So definitely friends, trust me, display is the one biggest advantage for the MI Note 10 Lite. I never seen any this kind of display in the mid-range segment phone. So definitely in the mid-range segment phone, the MI Note 10 Lite sweeps all other mobile phones apart because of having dual curved edges, as you can see here friends. So dual curved edges are the another biggest reason why I would choose the MI Note 10 Lite. Definitely this is a most interesting feature in the MI Note 10 Lite, which has a curved display, so which looks completely fantastic in terms of watching the videos. So you can get very good experience when watching in full screen and experiencing this kind of curved edges. So you do get the premium experience whenever you're watching the display. So this is one of the best reason why I would recommend to buy the MI Note 10 Lite, definitely friends, as you can see. So which has very good viewing angles and very good curved edges, and which makes a display amazing. So trust me, I'll be speaking about the display of all the time. So because of this MI Note 10 Lite, which has very good form factor as well, small and compact, not so huge as well. So that is also another reason. So it may not have the higher refresh rate, but I still care only about the display rather than having IPS panel with the higher refresh rate, or I would choose AMOLED panel with the 60 FPS. So that's my opinion, definitely friends. And next would be the battery. The phone has MI Note 10 has the 5260 mAh of battery, which is a kind of another next level battery, I can say, definitely for this kind of small body, which they are able to pack this kind of huge battery. We have seen the Samsung mobile phones which they can do up to 6000 mAh battery, but still the MI, and right now they are trying to get that kind of mark close to 6000. That's a very good progress from this company. And definitely in terms of the battery, I was able to get easily 7 hours of screen on time without any problem. So maximum I think I have reached about 10 hours of screen on time. So that's you can check the video also for more details. So that's why every time it's better to check my playlist for each and every smartphone, so you will get to know more details about everything. So definitely battery is a second reason why I would highly recommend this mobile phone. So you can easily use this mobile phone for the 2 days of usage without any issue at all. So next is a charging. The phone has 30 watts charging, which can actually charge the mobile phone in just 69 minutes. It's within the 70 minutes, so that is for sure. So this is also another biggest advantage. Even though the battery is of huge size, but still the phone managed to charge within 70-minute mark. So that is another biggest advantage as well for this mobile phone. So next is the camera. So where the camera, in terms of the camera, it's pretty good. You do have the dual LED setup, as you can see. So total there are 4 LED flashlights on the back side, but you can only use one type of flashlight at one time. So there are one type is a normal flashlight, and another flashlight is of soft light, as you can see. So which is also another useful thing in terms of taking the night photography. So definitely this is a most advantage in terms of the camera as well. Even the front camera is so good. I definitely like the camera from the MI Note 10 Lite. So camera is another area where I definitely love about this mobile phone. So fifth reason would be the, I think, price, because right now I got this mobile phone from the Australia. I'm living in Australia, in the Melbourne. So I got this mobile phone in the eBay Australia, I think close to 23,000 rupees if I convert into the Indian rupees. So definitely if the phone gets launched in India, the price would be close to 20,000 or 21,000. For that price, I would highly recommend this mobile phone without any problem. The phone has a Snapdragon 730G processor, but still it was very good, and we all know that 730G processor for a very long time, so no need to worry about the processor at all. So these are overall top 5 reasons why I would highly recommend to buy the MI Note 10 Lite. So do comment below what are your thoughts about this video. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.